Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can find our QR code in Facebook app. First of all, head over to your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, if that's the case, you will see a search bar at the top page. Simply tap onto your search bar and then type in QR code here. Make sure all is selected and then you will be able to see QR code that says scan QR codes and share your personal code with others. So all you have to do is tap on this QR code. And as you do that, it will launch your camera section. Make sure that you have already given Facebook access to your camera. You will see two options. One is scan QR code, another is QR bar as you open this QR code right here. Now, if you would like to scan other people's QR code, go ahead and tap on QR code. It will open your camera and then simply scan other people's QR code. If you would like to view your own QR code, you will also see QR code button at the top right hand side. If you tap on QR code, it will display you your Facebook QR code. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching.